our students are coming over to do the wiring for the Habitat. It's the 18th championship house for the Knicks Kids Foundation. We're doing the electrical wiring, and it's going to be a smart house. So the house will have actually smart lights and a smart alarm system and a smart heating and cooling system. So we're doing the rough-end wiring. My students from TCTA are doing all the hands-on work, and then some of the guys from the industry are come out and mentor them.
We're using what we were taught in the TCTA electrical class and putting it to use, because it's a lot different to actually get in a house and get the feel of everything. Pull the wire, put up the boxes, staple it all in. It's actually pretty fun, and you're helping people too, because it's the Habitat.
They're getting out here and learning how the real job works and getting used to the pace of the work and the physical demands that it takes on your body. So they're getting a really good experience out here.
It's physical, right? I get to use my hands, I get to move around, right? I also get to learn. I'm constantly solving a problem, knowing where to pull something. If there's something that's not working right, I know how to fix it.
They get a chance to come out here and show their skills, and they can shine out here, and everybody seems to really enjoy watching them work. The industry is in a real bad need right now for electricians, and these guys, usually if they come out and do this kind of work, I can place them fairly easily with no problem. There's just such a demand for skilled labor right now.
Right now, it's in real demand, right? Not a lot of people are doing the trades anymore, and the people are not really skilled, so it's hard to find a good tradesman. So while I'm learning this young, it's important, because then I can go out there, be skilled, and actually do good work.
TCTA is a great facility and an excellent place to learn. We're the only electrical training for high school students in the whole county, so I just say just spread the word. We're out here, we're training electricians every day.